Type in alphabet. Make it bold. Create a copy. Click on Ellipse tool, hold Ctrl, and draw a circle. Remove outline. Go to bitmap. Convert to bitmap, press OK. Go to bitmap, creative scatter. Enter the values and press OK. Select this object. Click on Artistic Media tool. Click on Sprayer, Custom, New Spray List. Then click on Add to Spray List. Select an alphabet, press Ctrl Q, convert to curves. Artistic Media tool, Sprayer, Custom. Click on Object we saved. Decrease the size of these objects and also adjust the spacing between the objects as shown here. Adjust until you get a proper shape, and spraying should also be visible. Right-click and break Artistic Media group apart. Change color using Interactive Fill tool. Right-click on Sprayed Object, Power Clip inside. Click on Alphabet to Power Clip. To create an inner shadow, draw a rectangle, fill black color. Select Alphabet, press Shift Page Up to bring it on front. Select both, press E and C to align the centers horizontally and vertically. Select an alphabet, hold Shift and select Rectangle. Click on Back minus Front. Go to Bitmap, convert to Bitmap, press OK. Go to Bitmap again, Blur, Gaussian Blur. Enter particular value, about 37 pixels. Press OK. power clip it inside the text. Press Ctrl. Click on Object to edit power clip content. Hold the center and place it on center. Adjust the shadow as shown. Select Blurred Object. Press Shift Page down to send it back. Select All. Remove outline.